The Photos app makes it easy to spot and remove duplicate photos to help tidy up your photo library. Here's how you can do it. First, open Photos and scroll down to the Utilities section. Tap on Duplicates. Keep in mind, this option will only appear if Photos has found duplicates in your library. If you only want to merge one set of duplicates, just tap Merge beside it, or tap Select to manage and merge multiple sets at once. Choose the duplicate photos you'd like to merge, or tap Select All to include everything. Now tap Merge at the bottom of your screen. You'll have the option to merge photos that are exact matches, or include those that are visually similar but may have differences in resolution, format, or other small details. We'll tap Merge Items to go ahead and remove all the duplicates found. Photos will keep the highest quality version and combine any important data, such as captions, keywords, or favorites, into a single photo. Tap Merge Items again to confirm. The duplicates that get removed are moved to your recently deleted folder. Once the process finishes, Photos will take you back to the next group in Utilities, and that's how easy it is to remove duplicates in the Photos app. For more tips on using your iPhone, be sure to subscribe to the channel or click on another video to keep watching.